Hey guys, peanut butter and banana challenge created by Sean and Mel is Elvis Presley's favorite sandwich made by Mary Jenkins. Oh yeah. I'm going to be making Elvis Presley's first and favorite sandwich. Oh yeah. Per Mary Jenkins, you gotta have that bread toasted. Oh yeah. Then we gotta use a half a stick of butter, 1/2 a stick of butter. So you're gonna have a quarter per each side. We're gonna put that skillet on this eye. Make sure it gets good and hot. And we're gonna put half of that half a stick of butter on that skillet. And we're going to let that butter melt. Once that butter melts, and we have that peanut butter and banana sandwich made up, it's going to go in that butter. Oh, yeah. It's going to go in that butter, and it's going to be saturated with that butter. You'll see what I'm talking about at the end. Crusty goodness at the end. Now we're going to put majority of the peanut butter on one side of the bread. And on the other side of the bread, oh yeah, we're going to put peanut butter on both sides. But on the other side of the bread, we're just going to put a light amount of peanut butter. Just like that. It helps to keep the bananas sandwiched in with the peanut butter. Now we're going to slice up this banana, and we're only going to use about half of it because we just need enough to cover that part of the toasted bread that has the thicker amount of peanut butter. Now the butter's melted, so I'm taking it off the eye so I can finish cutting up the bananas, and then I will put the butter pan back on the eye and proceed to the root. Oh yeah. Make sure it's a flat layer because once you put the other part of the bread on there, we're going to press it down to make sure it's all in there. It's all flat. And now I'm going to make sure that that bread that's sitting in that butter or margarine, if you use butter or margarine, doesn't matter, that it gets all on that bottom toasted bread. Because that quarter stick of that butter is just for that side. Oh yeah. And don't forget about the coldest water. Check my description box below because Shella 10 will get you in. Now we're ready to add the last of the butter, and then we're gonna flip that sandwich and we're gonna be ready to crust that side as well with that buttery goodness. Oh yeah. All done. Now let's put it on the plate. So you guys, do this challenge. Do this challenge. Do this challenge. A wonderful, tasty treat of Elvis Presley. Now listen at that crusty goodness. Just listen at that crusty goodness. That's what Elvis wanted. Oh yeah. Now I'm going to cut this baby in half. I'm going to try one half and my hubby going to try the other half. And we'll let you know how it tasted. Oh, yeah. Look at that peanut butter melty goodness. Now I'm going to take a bite of this goodness. Oh, my mouth is watering. It's going to be so delicious. Look at that creamy goodness. Did y'all hear that crunch? Oh, yeah. Get a bite. Get a bite. Get a bite. Oh, yeah. Such gooey, gooey goodness.
Well, y'all don't fit eat banana and peanut butter. You know what? Do you put it on there when it's hot like this, right?
Mm-hmm. Yep. That's the way Elvis Presley loved it. You like that crunch?
Yeah, it's my first time eating like this.
It's your first time? Wow. Mm-hmm. It's kind of like a love sandwich, but instead of bananas, instead of jelly, we got bananas in there.
So it's the Elvis right here.
That was his favorite dessert or snack.